on the front in your storage bin here is where your 20-pound propane tank is located. So just turn it on here just like that. Your spare tire is located underneath the box here, so it's just a crank to crank it down. Stabilizer jacks are down underneath there, so 3/4 inch crank for that. Right behind that is your evac system. So big black handle is black water, little handle is your gray water. Fresh water drain is located right behind the spare or the tire here, so it is marked there. Up above this panel plug here, this is if you want to add additional solar. There is already the solar panel up on the roof. You have 110 plug here, so this is where you're going to plug into power. In here, this is your control panel where all your water and everything goes in. So on the left here, you do have a light you can turn on for nighttime. You'll notice all these valves here with all the pictures up top, so it just depends on which type of camping you're doing or what you're trying to do. So dry camping is here, power fill is here, city water connection, so if you're hooked to camp water. If you're going to winterize, that's how you're going to have it, and sanitize is here. Sanitize is a wand that's inside your black water tank to help you clean out all the yuckiness. So that would be connected through this guy here if you don't want to use the sanitize here. This is if you're only using the pump. This is if you're going to be hooking it up to a city water connection or a hose. City water connection is here, so campsite water is going to go into there when you're using. You do have outside showers, so hot and cold for you, and then your low point drains are located directly below that. There is a little compartment door here, so you can run all your leads up through here. This is just the exhaust for the LD. On this side here, so you have another one of those compartments here. This is where your battery disconnect is located. So battery disconnect switch is up over here on the right hand side. So you'll see that there's red and green. So when it's pointed towards the red, that would be off, green would be on. So we're just going to turn that on here. Back at the back here, there is a main breaker reset there as well with a couple of fuses there. So if your 12-volt system isn't working, that's where you're going to head. Two 110 plugs down here at the bottom for you. As soon as we come in the trailer here, so this down here at the bottom, this is going to control your air conditioner. You do need to be plugged into 110 power for that. This here is your LD system, so you just press it to the on position. So a little warm in here. So you press your menu button here. So 60 degrees is what we have the house temperature set at. To get hot water, you just have to press the plus here. So this is little bit, and there's a lot of it. So it's just going to give you more hot water quicker. And then the electric, so you have a low, so you have 1 kilowatt and 2 kilowatt for power, and then you can turn that back off. Propane is down here at the bottom, so when you run on propane screen, just like so. Setting button here to get into the menu land. Over here, so gray water level, black water level, fresh water, and battery. When you press every one of them, they'll tell you the level over here. Water pump switch is here. Porch light, so that's the light above the door. Sink light is an accent lighting that is up underneath the cabinetry here. And then we also have accent lighting, which is going to notice it's up over here. It's also above the panel and above the microwave, everything like that for you as well. Sink, so you do have the hose here for the outside shower for you. So this guy here, down is cold, up is hot, tipping back is turning it on. Always make sure it's in the down position when you close the hatch. These guys here, all your knobs, so just press the knob, they open up just like so, and then they open up just like that. Down at the bottom here, so we have USB ports. So there's USB ports in every single 110 outlet. Now remember, these USB ports will only work when you are plugged into high